देख लिया आपने वेडिंग लुक, पोस्ट वेडिंग लुक?
अरे यार, of Sonakshi looks like Deepika only,
क्यों?
isn't it?
Everybody looks the same, that has been well established ना, all Indians look the same, ये तो चलो हो गया. I thought you will be like, oh happy bride, I really like and all, since you are very chulbula yourself.
But she's in love and happy, I guess. What to do?
What to do? आपको कुछ नहीं करना है इसमें.
Looks like Deepika only. Bride isn't happy and in love. It's a good thing, I guess.
ग्रूम को साला कोई देख ही नहीं रहा है.
Groom nobody knows or cares कि ये groom है कौन, क्या करता है, उस ये भी किसी को नहीं पता है.
ग्रूम is from movies यार.
चलो, which movie groom has done?
Double XL.
Apart from that, Fiasco.
That is where they met na. Double XL is a movie that my pati has watched over 1 month.
That is fine, but उसके अलावा तो कुछ किया ही होगा.
I'm sure he has done other movies यार.
या केवल one hit wonder, not even hit.
He is one wonder.
One wonder के अलावा भी कुछ नहीं किया लाइफ में.
अरे he must. चलो फिर चले हम अपना गूगल खोलने, अपना सारा एल्गोरिदम की धज्जियां उड़ाने.
डोंट कि वो एक्ट्रेस है, लेकिन उसने तो चलो चुलबुल पांडे and all that she has done. What he has done?
अरे what is his name?
Zahir Iqbal.
Wow. The fact that you know the name, I think he has done enough. He is related to Salman bhai. Chalo, anything else you want to know in this?
Oh, I guess he's married to, if he's related to Salman, I guess that's more than enough.
Zahir's father is a close friend of Salman.
Chalo, then he is no more one wonder.
He has acted in Kisi Ka Bhai Kisi Ki Jaan, Double XL and Notebook.
Chalo, all right. I'm glad for him. He has done more than one wonder.
चलो cut this call यार, I'm getting bored talking to you. आपको जो योगा लेसन करने थे कुछ करा?
What yoga lesson?
You were taking na everybody in your office to do tree hugging.
I was making them do matcha tea drinking. Chalo.
Oh, sorry. So
I have done. They have drunk matcha on per my instructions.
चलो कैसी लगी?
They liked it. I just said close your eyes, feel your breath.
I hate people
feel
like
your
you.
body relaxing as you take a sip of the matcha, the warm matcha in your hands. Feel it in your mouth. That is what I was doing. They all had a great time.
You are really yaar. I have such deep disgust for people like you.
Yeah.
If somebody in my office was doing this, I'd be like, इसको कैसे fire करवाएं हमें ये बताओ.
Shadu, I was doing it for mental health well-being.
It's okay, but क्या मिला? चलो करवा
दो. It was a huge success.
चलो जिसको चाय आपने पिलाई थी वो क्या हुए? वो मंक बन गए?
No, they all relaxed for a few moments and then after that they went for their 6-hour calls. What to do?
ये अच्छा लगता है आपको ये सब?
I hope they liked it.
नहीं, उनका छोड़ो. आपको कैसा लगा अपने आप पर?
I felt like I could help. I actually thought this I could make as career for corporates.
अच्छा. दफ्तर जाके सबको चाय पिलाएंगे आप?
Well, it would be a good business idea, no? To set up for corporates mental health well-being.
Wow, unbelievable, huh? Unbelievable. Had no, what do you call it?
You didn't have any mental health well-being activities.
They had no tolerance for this shit.
तो जो overworked, burnt out लोग थे,
छोड़ के जाओ.
But who will do the job? अगर सभी छोड़ के चल दिए, even the Gen Zs are all about chillaxing.
Screw Gen Z यार, screw them.
शाडू, Gen Z ने कह दिया हम ये सब corporate jobs नहीं करेंगे.
चलो good. तो कौन करेगा?
हम करेंगे अपने बुढ़ापे तक.
I saw this thing on Instagram. I forgot the lady's name. She was giving some commencement speech in some Gen Z university. She was talking about this imposter syndrome. Did you hear?
No, I have not.
So apparently she was saying how in the 1950s or the 1850s, whatever, whenever the cycle was invented, like the bicycle, when women started like riding the bicycle, people were like, oh, you know, women shouldn't ride the bicycle because they are having something called a bicycle face is what happens. And then all the women got scared. They're like, oh my God, it's some new, like, you know, problem that has come around, like not a syndrome, but like a issue, like a proper medical issue. So the symptoms of bicycle face were like flushed cheeks and excessive sweating and heart beats faster and all this stuff. They said it's not safe for women to do all this. Those are normal things that happen when you ride a bicycle. We know that now. They said you shouldn't do bicycle because these are the symptoms of this problem that's happening. And I think it's not, we need to, we'll do better. We'll create other options for women to like get from point A to point B. But cycle is not the way because this is creating all these problems for them. But basically, the thing was to stop them from getting A to B. Suffragists were able to get from one place to another and, put their agenda forward. All of these basic things. So then this lady was saying that the new term for this bicycle phase, because obviously women fought that, is imposter syndrome. She said, like, I don't believe that there is any such thing as that. It's a term that has been invented. Like, if you stop believing in it, it doesn't happen. I was like, chalo, किसी औरत ने आखिर एंड में कुछ बोला कायदे का.
But she's right.
Yes, she's like, I don't believe in it. I don't believe there is any such thing like, imposter syndrome where you sit in a room and you think that I am probably not good enough. Now, because they can't attack your physical well-being, they are attacking your mental well-being to tell you like, oh, if you get promoted before your time, these are some of the symptoms. ऐसा होता है, इसको imposter syndrome कहते हैं. So she was telling the students to not believe these things and that all of you could fly circles around the ministers and people in power. They just don't want you to know that. So they've come up with all this.
And
And I'm saying this is mental well-being. This is mental well-being to get rid of all this rather than हमको आके एक भूरा आदमी चाय पिला देगा ऑफिस में. I will be very pissed off.
I don't think it's called chai pila dega. It's matcha tea drinking ceremony. I had called it ceremony.
चलो ceremony बुला दिया इन्होंने.
That is what was calendar invite. Matcha tea drinking ceremony. Bracket mental health.
I'm just saying यार, these things would be valuable. हम अगर दफ्तर में काम कर रहे हों और हमें मीटिंग इनवाइट आए, ये फलाने ढिमके ने हमको माचा टी ड्रिंकिंग सेरेमनी फॉर मेंटल हेल्थ पे बुलाया, वुड बी लाइक हाइट.
Wow, quite rude.
चाहे वो हमारी आप बहन ही होती, खैर आप बहन नहीं होती तो हम तो आपसे मुंह ही छुपा लेते.
Quite the rude.
Maybe this is what you need to tell your daftar people na, as a well-being mindful champion, whatever you are, mental champion.
Not a mental champion, but now that I'm leaving, I guess my post will go to someone else. Some lucky bugger will get the well-being.
चलो, lucky bugger बनाएगा चाय अब. Maybe it will be गोरा आदमी.
Well, more people will then attend his event, I guess.
Yes.
Given that it's a team of all women's.
ऐसा हमें कई बार लगता था जब सारे आदमी बैठे होते थे. Talking about D&EI.
D&EI.
अरे जो भी है.
Definitely not D&EI.
D-E-and-I. Die. I hate D&EI. Anyways, Deep Veer are celebrating baby moon in London.
I really couldn't give two shits. Two shits I couldn't give. Two.
Nice, since you are on a barrage of seeing celebs.
I can see them, but all I want to do is check their attitude.
क्यों? You are attitude police?
Their attitude suckers.
ऐसा पता नहीं क्या उन्होंने आपके साथ करा है, but चलो.
उड़ जा काले कावा तेरे मुँह विच खंड पावा.
Why?
नहीं यार, forget it.
नहीं, finish it. पता नहीं किस बात का लोरी सुना रही हैं. गाओ. चलो, काफी टाइम वेस्ट कर लिया, अब काट में. दफ्तर नहीं आया आपका अभी तक? कितना दूर है?
Still a bit away. फोन पे कर लेंगे. Okay.
अरे ड्राइविंग करते में जमाई ना ले. What are you doing?
मतलब ड्राइविंग करते में नेचुरल बॉडी फंक्शन भी नहीं हो सकता.
Hang up the phone. आप बात करते करते सो जाएंगे, हमें हो जाएगा ट्रॉमा. Hang up.
I am outside office.
अच्छा, खड़ी हो गई बस.
यार, as soon as I come to this area only my energy dips यार.
Maybe it doesn't match with the chi of your body.
It is obviously not ना. हम तो केवल जमाई ले रहे हैं. तो where chi? What chi?
That was a joke. Since you believe in matcha and all, I thought you believe in chi also.
I shall finish early and go to cafe.
मत yawning करो. Everyone I know in Instagram is either in Greece or Turkey right now. क्या मेला लगा है उधर?
I don't even know why the Indians are here in London.
Because Vikat and Deepveer are there.
I really cannot be bothered.
Safkat will also be there. Not Safkat, it's Safkar. Safkar.
चलो यार साफ कर.
Yes, Safkar, Deepveer and Vikat.
I will make sure to look out for Safkar Katpat.
I don't think they will go to the places you go.
I saw na Shweta Bachchan,
Who was she with?
some guy and girl.
चलो हस्बैंड को guy and बेटी को girl बोल दी.
She was not the Betty.
It was not Naina Veli.
Don't know if it's Naina Veli,
But I like her. She seems to have some brains, I think.
just because she does a podcast.
And not about podcast, yeah. The way she talks and all, and also looking more natural than the other kids.
Yes, I guess that's correct.
Yeah, I mean, not fully. There is also a lot that is not natural, but more natural than the others. Maybe जब तक वो अपने होठ नहीं फुला लेती, they are looking normal. Body is normal size, not like a belly dancer. So
Move your body like a belly dancer, hey ladies. Hey ladies.
हो गया.
Just the Indian version.
And no, this was really not. Please don't pull Indians into this.
Drop it down. Hey ladies.
Okay, आ रहे हैं दादाजी.
1 घंटे की ड्राइव के बाद I have reached.
Wow, congrats.
जिम नहीं चलेंगे हमारे साथ.
I am about to order French fries.
Really, you should be going gym.
Gymming will start at 35 and then everybody will be like, वाह आपने तो शादी के बाद भी कैसे मेंटेन किया है.
शादी को 10 साल हो गए हैं.
Yes, but how you have maintained, wow, आप तो लग ही नहीं रहे हो बिल्कुल, आप तो ऐसे यंग लग रहे हो.
Said no one ever and no one will.
The problem with this plan is the moment they ask, oh बच्चे हैं, then you are like, no, then हाँ तभी तो बनी है body. That's the problem.
बच्चे के साथ अगर आप बना के दें, then it's different.
I know यार, I know. Because after बच्चा you should look ideally like a फटीचर ना एकदम. So then if you look even slightly better, they are like, अरे वाह.
What to do, Shadu?
Hey ladies, drop it down. Just want to see you touch the
ये
ground.
words ladies, हम तो फिर भी ladies कह रहे थे.
Don't be shy, girl. Go bonanza. Shake your body like a belly dancer.
और कोई instructions हो तो दे दें अभी.
Oh, you are going to work out.
I really don't think I can, Shadu. I have no energy.
Why don't you join something fun like belly dance or something that gives you body plus like belly dancer look?
Like Nora.
चलो एक ही belly dancer हमको पता है. Yes, that will give you flexibility, body sexy, moves, everything. It's a win-win-win situation. Unlike running on the treadmill, which is doing nothing for nobody.
I'll just skip, yaar. I've come all the way.
Just do it. Go to workout.
I cannot even climb the steps.
Put on those Lululemons and go.
इतना पैसा नहीं है हमारे पास उसकी लुलुलेमन खरीद के उसके ऊपर हम पसीना छोड़ दें अपना.
आपके तो टीके मैक्स में मिलते होंगे Lululemons.
वो फिर भी महंगे ही होंगे. इस समय हम 2 पाउंड की शर्ट और 4 पाउंड का पैंट पहने हैं.
That is $6. Quite expensive. Quite expensive.
I forget कि इनके पास नौकरी ही नहीं है.
Yes, I am in the unemployed bracket of the economy.
Let me drink water.
Acha. Okay, I will wait. पानी पी रही हैं या कुएं में कूद गई हैं?
ओके बाय.
टाटा रो.
तुम ही काट डालो.
कटोरे कटोरे कटोरे.
अरे काट दे. लेट मी गो फाइंड द बॉल.
काहे का बॉल?
जिस पे हम रोल करेंगे.
अच्छा, ये वर्कआउट होता आपका?
रोल नहीं करती हैं आप बॉल पे?
अच्छा, मतलब सबसे पहले आप जिम में घुसते ही बॉल पे रोल करने लगती हैं.
To extend your spine.
Hang up this bloody phone.
You hang up. चल.
टाटा पुपू बोलो.
पुपू.
कटिंग कटिंग.